Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is all about a makeup challenge with only 3 products, and let's see whether I will be able to complete this makeup challenge or not. So let's get started. I'm starting here with Pond's BB cream as my foundation, but never forget to moisturize your skin before doing your makeup. And I am applying it with the help of Colorbar Black Beauty Blender so that it can be spread all over my face easily. And guys, never forget to apply your foundation on your neck because it often gets compared with your face, and if the color of your face and neck doesn't match, then your makeup might look artificial. Next, I'm gonna take lipstick from Colorbar, shade Electric Red, and I'm gonna apply it on my cheeks, nose, forehead and chin as my blush. And I'm gonna blend it perfectly with the help of Colorbar Black Beauty Blender. Guys, there is no harm in putting more blush on your cheeks because with only these 3 products your makeup may get very simple, but by adding more blusher your makeup will look more glamorous. Now it's time for my third product, which is Maybelline The Nude palette, and with the help of angular brush I'm gonna darken my eyebrows with the black eyeshadow. And you can get this kind of angular brush in any kind of eyebrow powder palette. Then I'm gonna take this light brown color shadow from the same palette and gonna apply it on my eyelid, including my transition and crease line areas. And as I have hooded eyes and decided not to use any brushes today, I'm gonna apply the same eyeshadow to my transition, crease line as well as eyelid areas. Then gonna apply this shimmery silvery eyeshadow from the same palette on my eyelid. Then I'm gonna take this black color eyeshadow from the same palette and gonna define my lower eye to give a soft eye look. Then at last I'm gonna take my second product, that is Colorbar Electric Red lipstick, and gonna apply it on my lips. So here my makeup is done by using only 3 products. You can add one more thing to enhance your look, that is eyelash. I'm using here non-branded eyelash. You can use any eyelash you want to. And here I'm done. Did you like my transformation from this to this by using only 3 products? If yes, then give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.